Hello students, in previous class we discussed about periodic table, that how groups and periods are classified, and D'Aubigné law of triads, Newland's law of octaves and many more in related to periodic table, how periodic properties will be changed in groups and periods. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the SPDF block elements in the periodic table. Okay. Here this is the periodic table. Periodic table is mainly classified into two types, groups and periods. Here the horizontal rows in a periodic table, the horizontal rows here which are called periods. Here total how many periods are there in the periodic table means 7 periods are there, which are indicated with the help of Arabic numbers. Okay, with the help of Arabic numbers. In groups, the vertical columns in the periodic table are called groups. Here groups are numbered from 1 to 18. In olden days, which are indicated with Roman number 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A and 8A are zero group elements. Nowadays, it is also according to IUPAC, they are indicating with Arabic numbers from 1 to 18. Here, the electron, when we write the electronic configuration of elements, the electron will be enter into different orbitals. The differentiating electron enters into different orbitals. Based on that, the elements are classified into 4 blocks in the periodic table. Okay. Here, first A group elements and second A group elements are called S block elements. Okay. First A group elements and second A group elements are called S block elements. Here, what are the first A group elements? Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, which are called first A group elements, and second A group elements beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium, which are called second A group elements. Here first A group elements are also called alkali metals. That means alkali means ash, okay, which are extracted from ash. So that's why first A group elements are called alkali metals. Second A group elements are called alkaline earth metals. That means second A group elements are all extracted from earth crust. So that's why they are called alkaline earth metals. In the periodic table, first A group elements and second A group elements are called S block elements, because when we write the electronic configuration of first A group elements and second A group elements, the differentiating electron enters into S orbital only. So that's why first A group elements and second A group elements are called S block elements. For example, take hydrogen. Okay, take hydrogen. Write the electronic configuration of hydrogen. What is the atomic number of hydrogen? Means 1. You must write the atomic number of the element as left side subscript of the symbol. Okay, remember it, important. You must write the atomic number left side subscript of the symbol. You must write atomic mass number right side superscript of the symbol. Okay. Here write the electronic configuration of hydrogen. First, what is mean by electronic configuration? Okay, what is mean by electronic configuration? Okay, electronic configuration means the distribution of electrons into different orbitals is called electronic configuration. The distribution of electrons into different orbitals is called electronic configuration. Here different orbitals are there. So when differentiating electron enters into different orbitals, based on that the elements in the periodic table are classified into 4 types, that are S block, P block, D block and F block elements. Here write the electronic configuration of hydrogen. Here hydrogen atomic number is 1. Here atomic mass number also 1. Write the electronic configuration 1s1. That means here in hydrogen only one electron is present, it is enter into S orbital. Okay. And take another one, sodium. What is the atomic number of sodium? 11. Okay. Sodium atomic number is 11. When we write the electronic configuration of sodium, it will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 3s1. Okay, 2p6 3s1. That means last electron or differentiating electron enters into s orbital. So that's why first A group elements are belongs to s block elements. Take second A group elements. What are they? Beryllium. Okay, beryllium. Beryllium atomic number 4. Write the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2. Last electron, differentiating electron entering into the s orbital. So that's why which are called s block elements. For take another one example, calcium. What is the atomic number? What is the atomic number? Calcium atomic number is 20. Write the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Okay, that means last differentiating electron will be entering into s orbital. So that's why first A group elements and second A group elements are called s block elements. Okay. Next, what is the general electronic configuration of s block elements? Means ns1 to ns2. This is the general electronic configuration of ns1, ns2 or ns1 to ns2. This is the general electronic configuration of the s block elements. S blocks elements are present left side of the periodic table. This is the periodic table. Here the first A group elements and second A group elements are present left side. So that's why S block elements are called S block elements are present in the periodic table at left side. Okay, this is the S block elements. Next one, P block elements. P block elements. P block elements. P block elements means the differentiating electron when enters into p orbital, which are called p block elements. Okay, when differentiating electron enters into p orbital, which are called p block elements. In the periodic table, third A or 13th group to 18th group elements, when we write the electronic configuration of different types of elements, the differentiating electron will be enter into p orbital. So that's why these are called p block elements. For example, take boron. What is the atomic number of boron? 5. Okay, boron atomic number is 5. When we write the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. That means last electron will be entering into p orbital or p subshell. It is called p block elements. From 13th to 18th or third A to 8th A group elements are considered as p block elements. P block elements are classified into 6 groups, that are 13th group, 14th group, 15, 16, 17, 18th group elements are called p block elements. P block elements are present right side of the periodic table. P block elements are present right side of the periodic table. General electronic configuration of p block elements is ns1 to 2 to np1 to 6. This is the general electronic configuration of p block elements. P block elements are present in the periodic table right side of the periodic table. P block elements are present in the right side of the periodic table. Here third A group elements are called boron family, fourth A group elements are called carbon family, fifth A group elements are called nitrogen family, sixth A group elements are called oxygen family or chalcogens, seventh A group elements are called halogens, and eighth A group elements are called noble gases or inert gases or zero group elements. These are the p block elements. Here S block and p block elements are called as representative elements. S block and p block elements are called as representative elements. Okay, these are the S block elements. Next, D block elements. Here, what is mean by D block elements means the differentiating electron will be enter into D subshell, which are called D block elements. Once again, differentiating electron into D orbital, which are called D block elements. Here in the periodic table from third B to 1 to B or third group to 12th group, elements are called D block elements. D block elements are present in the periodic table between S block and P block. So that's why D block elements are called bridged elements. Okay, once again, D block elements are present in the periodic table between S block and P block. So that's why they are called bridged elements. Here, general electronic configuration of D block elements is n-1 D 1 to 10 ns2. This is the general electronic configuration of D block elements. Here, D block elements are also known as transition elements except to 12th group elements. D block elements are called transition elements except to 12th group, because 12th group elements that are zinc, cadmium and mercury, which are have fulfilled electrons in D orbital. So that's why except 12th group elements are called transition elements. Here in this group, nickel 10th group elements that are nickel, palladium and platinum, which are used as catalyst in number of organic reactions, in number of chemical reactions. So that's why 10th group elements, okay, 10th group elements are called catalyst. Catalyst means it is does not involve in a chemical reaction, but increase the rate of reaction or decrease the rate of reaction is called catalyst. In number of chemical reactions, mainly used nickel, palladium and platinum as a catalyst. This is also the definition of catalyst is very, very important. So once again, the students listen carefully. Catalyst means it is does not involve itself in a chemical reaction, but increase the rate of reaction or decrease the rate of reaction is called catalyst. Okay, here these elements are called D block elements. Again, these D block elements are classified into 4 types, that is 3D series, 4D series, 5D series and 6D series. 4D series, 5D series and 3D, 4D, 5D and 6D series. In 6D series, the elements are incomplete. Okay, the elements are incomplete. In 3D series, these are starts from potassium to krypton, and in 4D series, it will be starts from rubidium to xenon, and 5D series, it will be started from cesium to radon, and 6D, these are the incomplete period in the periodic table. Next, F block elements. Next, F block elements. F block elements, that means in the periodic table, which are denoted below the periodic table. Okay, F block elements are denoted or which are right below the periodic table, that are again classified into 2 types, lanthanides and actinides. Okay, here what is the definition of F block elements means the differentiating electron will be enters into F orbital or F subshell is known as F block elements. F block elements are denoted below the periodic table. The general electronic configuration of F block elements are n-2 F 1 to 14, n-1 D 1 to 10 ns2. This is the general electronic configuration of F block elements. F block elements are again classified into 2 types, lanthanides and actinides. Lanthanides and actinides. Lanthanides are starts from cerium, that is atomic number 58. It will be from cerium to lutetium. 14 elements are called lanthanides, and actinides that are starts from thorium, atomic number 90, thorium to lawrencium 103 elements which are called actinides. Here one of the definition is very important, that is lanthanide contraction. Lanthanide contraction. Lanthanide contraction means the gradual decrease of the atomic size of the elements when increasing the atomic number is known as lanthanide contraction. This is very important for 2 marks. Okay, lanthanide contraction means the gradual decrease of size of the atoms in increasing of atomic numbers in lanthanides is called lanthanide contraction. These are the children's 4 types of block elements in the periodic table. Dear students, remaining topics links are given below description, so you can share it and like it, comment if you have any doubt, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. You will get more updates. Okay, thank you.